This tutorial will guide you through each step on how to set up a body transformation challenge.
In the MAD, click on Configuration. Navigate to Challenges. Select the Add option to create a new challenge. Click here and name your challenge, for example, Body Transformation Challenge. Enter a tagline for your challenge.
Make sure to keep it short and snappy, as it will appear underneath the challenge name on the leaderboard.
In this tutorial, we are showing you how to utilize the staggered option for a body transformation challenge. First, choose a sign-up period in which clients can join the challenge. Usually, this is a few days or weeks before the challenge starts. Select a start and end date for this period. Then determine your challenge start date. The start of the challenge could be starting and ending on the same day.
However, for a body transformation challenge like the one in our tutorial, we select to let participants start their own challenge within a period of 2 weeks. This means that within those 2 weeks they need to get their first assessment, in which they get measured and record their weight, done.
The next date field is about the end of the challenge.
Again, you could determine for the challenge to end on one specific date. To opt for this, choose on date from the drop-down menu.
For our body transformation challenge, we choose to determine that the end date is individual to the client.
We select days after first attempt from the drop-down menu and enter 90 days, so that the challenge for the client ends 90 days after their first assessment has been recorded. Since they have to start the challenge within the 2 weeks period determined above, all participants should be finishing off the challenge within a 2-week time period as well.
Include a link to the terms and conditions of the challenge, such as permission for the participant's picture and name to appear on the leaderboard and be displayed on TVs throughout the club. For the challenge goal, choose most points from the drop-down menu. As the activity, choose Body Transformation Challenge. You will be presented with the calculations used to determine the points for all clients given their results from the assessments.
If you like to run body transformation challenges using other parameters and calculations, GoX Pro can configure these calculations to suit your needs.
Enter the description and protocol for your body transformation challenge. Please note that this information will be visible to the clients. Include any information you deem useful for the client to know. In this section, include any notes or instructions for your coaches. The next step is to choose your definition of best for the challenge. In this case, we have chosen the sum of all assessment points during the challenge, so the participants accumulate points during the challenge. Other options are the latest assessment during the challenge, the best assessment during the challenge, or the average of all assessment points. Choose the club you want to run the challenge in. If you have multiple clubs, you can tick all of them or select the ones you want. Then choose your leaderboard type. If you have multiple clubs participating in the challenge, you can choose to either have a leaderboard for each club with a single club option, or alternatively, you can choose to have a shared leaderboard over multiple clubs. Click Create to finalize the process of creating your challenge. Next, add a challenge image by navigating to Choose Image on the Challenge Details page. The challenge image will be displayed in the background of your leaderboard. The promotional poster will appear on the client mobile app to engage club members to join and participate in the challenge. Click Save to complete the process of uploading your challenge image.
This is an example of how the image is displayed in the background of the leaderboard.
Now repeat the process of uploading a picture for your promotional poster. And click Save to complete the promotional poster upload process.
Your challenge is set to draft status by default. In draft status, you can already add participants provided the sign-up period of the challenge has started. The challenge is not available to clients on their member app if it is in draft. Once you are satisfied with all parameters for your challenge, you can publish the challenge by changing its status to active. Navigate to the options on the top right of your challenge details page and select Edit to change the status of the challenge. Challenges have one more status, which is internal. When a challenge is set to internal, it is only visible to club admins and coaches. This indicates that the challenge is not live and only visible internally. Select this status for team training and education. For body transformation challenges, GoX Pro is offering an option to set up an automated and configurable email series to keep clients motivated throughout a challenge. Get in touch for more information and to utilize this value add, included in your GoX Pro Challenges subscription. Here you can see how a body transformation challenge leaderboard will be displayed. On the left, you see what is called a non-leaderboard with every participant displayed in no particular order. Everyone is a winner and achieving results. On the right, you see a leaderboard ranking that uses a point system to determine the ranking of participants. This point system can be configured by GoX Pro to allow you to run body transformation challenges exactly the way you want to run them. This guide covered the steps required to set up a body transformation in the GoX Pro app. Once sign-up opens for your challenge, you will be able to add participants to your challenge. Please watch our tutorial how to add participants to a challenge for a walkthrough of those steps.